5647 Tango.
6057 Papa, traffic's over the numbers for runway 36. You can keep it in nice and tight for me, runway 36, you're clear to land, wind 33013, gust to 17.
Clear to land 36, we'll keep it tight, 575.
1089 Charlie, you are clear to land runway 36, wind currently 32012, gust to 17, the altimeter is 3004.
Alright, clear to land runway 36, 1089 Charlie.
Comanche 57 Papa, you're 3 from Dothan, maintain 3000 till Dothan, clear straight in, RNAV runway 36 approach.
3000 till Dothan, cleared straight in, 36 approach, 57 Papa.
Comanche 57 Papa, there's traffic, 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, 2000, looks like they set themselves up for a 12-mile final for 36, let me know if you see them.
57 Papa, we're IMC right now.
Comanche 57 Papa, contact Oshkosh Tower, let them know you're looking for the traffic.
Over to tower, 57 Papa. 0 Mike 7. Oshkosh Tower, Comanche 6057 Papa's 9 mile RNAV IMC 3000.
Comanche 6057 Papa, Oshkosh Tower, roger, report 5 mile final.
Or 5 mile final, 575.
And 6057 Papa, I think you're probably still in the clouds, but just be advised, you're going to be following VFR traffic in your 12 o'clock, about 2 miles.
57 Papa, we'll be looking once we break out. We've got them on the scope.
Tower 100 Golf Mike, turn left on Papa 3 and contact ground.
Left on Papa 3, contact ground, short Golf Mike.
There we are. Okay, looking for traffic. And 57 Papa, we're 4 mile final traffic in sight.
6057 Papa, roger, runway 36, clear to land.
36 clear to land, 57 Papa.
Yeah, 6057 Papa, if you'd like, long landing approved.
We can land long if that helps you out.
57 Papa, from yeah, if you can land long, that'll help us out with the guy behind you.
Yep, I'll aim for the yellow dot.
Seven Papa, exit on Papa 2, no delay.
Papa 2, no delay, 57 Papa.
Hi, Maddi.
Virgil, welcome everyone to PlanePlaces Adventures. It's a hot Florida day here, so instead of sweating up in the Comanche, we decided to come out on the boat and catch some cool water and some sun. But we're thinking about a big trip coming up where we're going to go find some cooler air and a lot of airplanes.
Yeah, so this is just letting you guys know that we're going to Oshkosh